Chill!
Naku, napakagandang lunchtime kasi kasama natin ang I Love OPM Tourist Stars Final Four! We have Dio, J Morning, Ryan Gallagher. And of course, the first ever I Love OPM Grand Winner, Johan Juan!
Congratulations. No, yesterday, last week was a great show. Anong pakiramdam na finally, top 4 performed sa Resorts World?
It was a reunion concert, and I feel very excited, to watch it because, I think all of the tourist stars were together and we were reunited together. Yeah. So.
With special guests, you got Reina, you got Darren Espanto there, Martin Rivera was there, Ann Curtis sang. What can you say about Ann Curtis' performance yesterday?
So cute.
So cute.
Yeah.
Wow. I think I would get that as a compliment. All right. Pero how are you guys doing right now?
We're good. We got back from a mall tour a couple days ago, so I guess we're gonna keep going on mall tours. But this TV business is exhausting. You don't get a chance to sleep, so you have to take times in the car just to sleep. And you guys do it every day, so you're professionals. But this is new to us, so
sometimes
it's fun.
we get only 2 hours of sleep, and that's what happened to her.
So you sleep, okay?
Do you want to see our future
You
self?
sleep very well so you won't look like me.
No, but honestly, Dio, are you used to the fame right now? Everyone knows you. Everyone wants to take their pictures with you. Are you used to this kind of scene?
Yeah, kind of. From Dubai, yeah. For 10 years, been doing that. So it's.
Sanay na.
Huh?
Sanay. You're used to it.
Yeah, you're used to it. Yeah, we're actually used to this kind of stuff, and it's awesome. Yeah.
How about you, Johan? Sanay ka na ba sa popularity?
Tagalog tayo.
Not really. Hindi talaga. Hindi pa. Slowly.
Slowly getting there. So, na-meet nyo na ba si Ryan Bang?
Ryan Bang? I saw him in person.
In prison?
In person!
In person? Akala ko in prison. Natakot ako.
In prison.
Sindikato pala itong si Ryan.
Oo.
Reason.
Oo.
Okay.
But after the whole show, you have any plans to stay here in the Philippines?
Oo nga.
J Morning.
Yes.
Woo!
Yeah, can you see? Can you see us right now? Do you have any plans of staying here in the Philippines?
Yes. We wanna do lots of performance and we wanna make our music career in the Philippines through J-Moon's OPM songs.
Oh, wow.
So, itutuloy
marami
nyo ang
bang
pag-awit ng OPM song.
Yes.
Marami bang nakaplan sa kanila?
What do you
Alright.
love the most about the Philippines? What
do you love most about the Philippines?
什么的？什么的？
我是每个人想讲嘢，我真係講嘢。
Yeah?
Okay. Kamu segera bibimbap.
OPM.
Yeah, sorry, OPM.
OPM.
Yeah, music.
Music.
Yeah.
They like music.
What about you, Dio?
I love everything about the Philippines.
Wow.
Everything from the
Politician.
food, from the streets,
He likes
the people, their unconditional love,
Hospitality. Wow, galit ka, ha?
Oh.
Okay,
How about
okay.
Ryan? Ryan,
Ryan.
what do you love about me?
Siyempre,
You look like the
Everything.
Philippine Islands kasi. Oh.
siyempre, I gotta say the music, of course.
She looks like the archipelago kasi.
The Palawan side. Okay, go.
Hindi, alam nyo, feeling ko dahil kay Ate Alora, parang gusto niya nang magstay for good. Are you planning to stay here for good?
Well, I think I've been to the Philippines maybe 20 times in the past 2 years.
Oh, wow.
So I come back and forth a lot.
Okay.
And so I have so much family here already, it seems like.
You
And
want to
so,
add another one?
yeah, sure.
Do you want to build a family?
Draw up the papers.
Do you want to build?
With one of the Philippine national treasures.
Sabi ni Johan.
Please welcome the Banawe Rice Terraces. Sorry.
Sabi ni Johan, so sad. Sabi na so sad daw.
Okay, so gusto ko na naman matanong sa kanila, Robby. Sino bang iboboto nila ngayong
Uy, bawal pa yun. Hindi pa sila makakaboto. Huwag yun.
Okay, malakala ko
Ang
rin.
matindi na lang, syempre, yung mga kapamilya natin, bumoto na matindi para sa kanilang mga idols because of what they seen during their performance night. But right now, can we ask you guys to sing just the chorus of your final song
Yes.
sa I Love OPM? Let's start with Dio. Syempre, rakrakan to.
Ay, pare, wala akong boses.
Walang boses ngayon.
Puyat.
Kahit acoustic lang.
Oh my God.
Acapella.
Acapella, okay.
Acoustic acapella.
Bababa natin yung...
Baba natin.
Oo.
Oo, baba natin.
Salamat at tayo'y magkasama muli. Salamat at may gabing nakalaan sa kaunting kasiyahan. Kahit tamis ng ating samahan sa lungkot at kaligayahan. Tunay na kaibigan, kasamang maasahan. Salamat, at tayo'y may pinagsamahan. Salamat, tunay kong kaibigan.
Thank you so much, Dio. From the Dawn.
So much, Dio.
Alright, up next, J Morning.
Good morning!
Uy, meron
Ay!
din.
Oh, may baon!
Sorry.
Nahiya naman kami.
sila,
Paano ba to?
prepared.
Paano ba to? Nandito wala sa likod natin.
One. Ha? 1, 2, 3, 4. Di nalalayo sa'yo ang tunay na mundo. Marami sa amin nabubuhay ng tulad mo. Di makita, di marinig, minsa'y nauutal. Tungo sa hinahanga na buhay na banal.
J Morning.
Oh, Ryan!
Hey, Ryan.
Me.
What about Ryan?
I had to ask her what song I sang because I forgot
Mas
already.
alam
But,
niya
no,
pa.
okay.
Oo, ano mas may nanta ko sabi nito?
Does it have to be the finals one or can it be a different one? Because the
Any.
finals is like,
Any song you want.
okay.
Up to you.
Minsan lang kitang iibigin, minsan lang kitang mamahalin. Ang pagmamahal sa'yo'y walang hangganan, dahil ang minsan ay magpakailanman.
Ano yan?
Oy, blacklisted ka na, ha? Di ka na makakabalik next chill out.
Pupukin ng mic.
Tatandaan kita.
Last mo na to.
Last mo na to, te.
So, nakita natin ang Philippine Higad.
Kitang-kita eh.
Kung ano
Magkatabi
pangalan
kami.
yan.
Teka.
Papatumba natin yan.
May nagpa-practice na dito sa gilid ko. Handang-handa na ako. Oh, ito na. The final
ito na.
song of Johanna Wang. Here we go. What gonna say? Okay, here we go.
Kung wala ka na,
Wala pa!
Wala pa!
Kasi,
Hindi mo, ikaw talaga! Sandali! Ikaw! Ha? Grand winner yan!
Wala pa.
So,
Go.
sige.
titiwan yung bebe.
Go, 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 go. Go, 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 go.
kalma.
Sorry.
Alright, here we go. Johan Wang.
Kung wala ka nang maintindihan, kung wala ka nang makapitan, kapit ka sa akin, kapit ka sa akin, hindi kita bibitawan.
Okay. Hello, Johan. Oo, andito kami,
Ang
Johan.
galing mo,
Oo.
Johan.
Oo, husay mo, Johan.
Napakahusay ng iyong pinakita dito lang
Ang
sa...
husay. Thank you,
sa-
thank you.
Chubby, but
Ayan,
Chubby.
oo.
Napalapakan muna natin mga tour stars. Top 4 tour stars ng
may
I
mga
Love
mall shows
OPM.
sila.
Thank you
Invite
so
nyo
much.
naman.
Thank you.
Hoy, the mall shows. Come on.
Yung mall shows nyo.
Sige na, sila na mall show. Sige
Okay,
na,
mall
sige
shows.
na, mall
May
show.
6. How do you read that?
Coronadal City.
Coronadal City.
Oh.
And May 7, Jensan.
Jensen. Ayan.
Ayun. Sa mga ibang updates, pakaabangan niyo yan. Si Justin Irons will update you. But if you want to get more updates, follow nyo lang ang official Twitter account ng I Love OPM, which is at I Love OPM. Okay.
Yun nga.
Yun
Literal. Literal.
Yun talaga yun. Yun talaga yun. But thank you so much. You know, we hope to see you real soon back here in the Philippines. If not, we hope to
Maraming
see you
salamat.
every week here on ASAP. Alright? Palabaw po natin Tourist Stars.
Congratulations, guys.
Now, from 3 big words, OPM, mapunta tayo, or 3 big letters na OPM, mapunta tayo
Words.
sa 2 letra
Ayun.
na matindi ang ipinakita last week sa Hiningan Dog Pop Love Songs 2016. We're gonna have Davey Langit and the Itchy Worm sa pagbabalik ng ASAP Chill Out. Jugs!